Bases have a pH of above 7. So, a base which is water soluble is referred to as an alkali. Now, in basic alkaline conditions, red litmus paper turns blue and methyl orange indicator turns yellow. So, bases are usually oxides or hydroxides of metals. When alkalis react, they gain electrons to form negative hydroxide ions. So, the presence of OH ions is what makes up the aqueous solution an alkali. Now we're going to talk about some typical reactions of bases. So first we have bases and acids. Now when they react with an acid, a neutralization reaction occurs and produces salt and water. Then we have alkalis and ammonium salts. So ammonium salts undergo decomposition when warmed with an alkali. So even though an ammonia itself is a weak base, it is very volatile and can easily be displaced from the salt by another alkali. So, a salt, water, and ammonia are produced. Now, the reaction is used as a chemical test to confirm the presence of ammonium ions. So, alkali is added to the substance with gentle warming followed by the test for ammonia gas using damp red litmus paper. So, if the litmus paper turns red to blue, ammonia is present.